Hi guys, I'm Kylie. In this video, I'll teach you how to make this very easy chocolate bouquet that costs less than 100 pesos. You can also use this as a last-minute Valentine's gift for your loved one. So without any further ado, let's start. So here are the materials that you'll be needing: chocolates, barbecue sticks, and the tape. So first, what I'll do is I'll be taping the barbecue sticks at the back of my chocolates. Once done, we'll fix it by layers, so you can choose any layers that you want. In my case, because I have 10 chocolates, I made it into 4, 3, 2, 1. So I have 4 layers here. Once you're satisfied with how it looks like, you can now tape it. So first, what I did was I taped it per layer. And then I joined them all together like this. You can use other brands of chocolate that you want. It could be your loved one's favorite chocolate. Could be Chocomucho, Cloud9, Kit Kat, whatever. You're free to choose. You can also mix them in a chocolate bouquet. So you could really be creative in this Valentine's chocolate bouquet. So we'll be using 2 colors of cartolina for this chocolate bouquet. I chose yellow and blue because it has the same color of the packaging of hello. This one is also recycled, that's why as you can see it's crumpled. I fold it in half and I cut it. After cutting it, I folded a triangle to make a square, and then I cut it again. So we'll focus first on the first layer, which is the yellow colored cartolina. We'll be folding it into a diamond like this one. And then we'll be taping it as we go along. Now we can add our chocolates on top. And then don't forget to tape it. We need to tape it. It might fall if we won't tape it here. So we'll just fold tape as we go along. Just follow what I'm doing. Now here I will cut a small rectangle, fold it in half, and then place it below so that I can cover the barbecue sticks, and then tape it again. The paper below, now we will just fold it like this and then tape it. Fold, tape, like what we did a while ago. Just follow what I'm doing. We're almost done. We only need to add more tape and ribbon. So in this part, I'll just be taping it like this. It's okay if the tape is seen because we'll be covering it later with ribbon. You'll see. So it's very easy. There you go, guys. Here's your DIY chocolate bouquet that costs less than 100 pesos. It's a perfect Valentine's gift for your loved one. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you again on my next tutorial. Bye!